I did this week's project on Paul Charpentier synthesizing chlorpromazine. So, Paul Charpentier was a chemist in France, and he is known for synthesizing chlorpromazine in December of 1950. He worked in French laboratories, and after making chlorpromazine, he actually continued working on other derivatives specifically to help with depression. So, chlorpromazine is an antipsychotic medication used today, and it is used to treat psychotic disorders such as schizophrenia or manic depression in adults. It has another use of being used to treat nausea and vomiting, anxiety before surgery, chronic hiccups, and symptoms of tetanus. So it does have a wide range of uses. And in children specifically, chlorpromazine can be used to treat severe behavioral problems such as competitive or explosive behavior. And it is also used to treat hyperactivity with excessive motor activity. So the drug was made from synthetic antihistamines, and the purpose that he worked with this was to help with general anesthesia. And the antipsychotic effects were first noticed at a hospital in Paris in 1952. So the drug was used for 2 years as a general anesthetic until they realized its antipsychotic properties. And it was the first widely used psychotropic drug. And by 1955, it generated significant revenue as an antipsychotic drug, and that was one of the reasons why they started to do extra research into other types of antipsychotic drugs. So research chemists quickly began to explore other derivatives. Thank you.